If you spend hours in front of a screen, your monitor setup matters more than you think. The right monitor position can reduce neck strain, improve posture, and make long work sessions feel a lot more comfortable. In this video, I'm going to show you the best monitor setup step by step, using a simple setup you can apply at home or in the office right away. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, sit straight in your chair. Before you adjust anything on the monitor, start with your posture. Your back should be supported, your shoulders relaxed, and your head in a natural position. A good monitor setup begins with a good sitting position because the screen should work with your body, not force your body to adapt to the screen. Next, adjust your monitor so the top of the screen is at eye level. This is one of the most important parts of a healthy setup. When the top of your screen is aligned with your eyes, you're less likely to look down or crane your neck upward. That helps keep your neck in a neutral position and reduces strain over time. If your monitor is too low, use a stand, books, or an adjustable arm to raise it. If it's too high, lower it until the top edge lines up with your eyes while you're sitting naturally. After that, keep the screen about 50 to 70 centimeters away from your eyes, which is roughly an arm's length. This distance helps you view the screen comfortably without leaning forward. It also gives your eyes a better break and can help reduce fatigue, especially if you're reading text, editing, or working for long periods. If you find yourself moving closer to read, you may need to increase text size instead of moving the monitor forward. Then, tilt the screen slightly upward, around 10 to 20 degrees. A slight upward tilt helps the screen face your eyes more naturally when the top is at eye level. You don't want a dramatic angle, just a subtle adjustment that makes the display easier to view without tipping your head. Small changes like this can make a big difference in comfort during the day. If you're using two monitors, try to keep your primary screen directly in front of you and place the second monitor beside it at a similar height. If you only use one monitor, center it with your keyboard and chair so you're not twisting your neck to one side. The goal is to keep everything aligned so your body stays relaxed and symmetrical. Also, make sure your chair and desk support the setup. Your feet should rest flat on the floor, and your elbows should stay close to a comfortable 90-degree angle while typing. A monitor setup works best when the whole workspace is balanced, not just the screen alone. Once you've adjusted everything, take a moment to check how it feels. You should be able to look at the screen without bending your neck forward or lifting your chin. Your eyes should naturally land near the top third of the display, with the screen centered in a way that feels effortless. If anything feels off, make another small adjustment until it feels right. The best monitor setup is simple. Sit straight, keep the top of the screen at eye level, place it an arm's length away, and tilt it slightly upward. Those 4 steps can instantly improve comfort and help you create a healthier workspace. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tech tips and setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.